Today's topic is both nostalgic and practical. We're revisiting the time-tested home remedies handed down from our grandmothers. These pearls of wisdom are not only about promoting wellness, they're also about fostering self-sufficiency and saving money. We will explore 25 of these home remedies in detail, so stick around and you might just find some natural, cost-effective solutions for common ailments. So let's embark on this fascinating journey back to our roots. Tip 1. Honey for coughs. Let's kick things off with honey, an everyday household item that's been celebrated since ancient times for its myriad of health benefits. Pure raw honey can be an effective remedy for those annoying coughs that keep you up at night. Its antibacterial properties and viscous consistency can help soothe irritated throats and suppress coughs, often outperforming over-the-counter cough suppressants. Plus, it's sweet, comforting, and won't leave you dealing with any unpleasant side effects. Tip 2. Ginger for digestion. Coming up next is ginger, a versatile root revered for its medicinal properties. Stomach woes. Ginger to the rescue. A soothing cup of ginger tea can be a great relief for indigestion, bloating, and nausea. It works by increasing the production of digestive juices and promoting healthy digestion. Not to mention, it's a warming and flavorful addition to your culinary creation. Tip 3. Lemon for cold relief. Our third tip involves the humble yet mighty lemon. Rich in vitamin C, lemons can be your go-to remedy when you feel a cold coming on. A hot drink of lemon juice mixed with honey can help alleviate cold symptoms like a runny nose, congestion, and sore throat. Plus, it's a hydrating and comforting drink when you're feeling under the weather. Tip 4. Chamomile for sleep. Can't sleep? Our fourth remedy might just be the solution. Chamomile is a gentle herb with mild sedative properties, making it a fantastic natural sleep aid. A warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can help relax your muscles, soothe your mind, and usher you into a peaceful night's sleep. Tip 5. Apple cider vinegar for acid reflux. Acid reflux can be an uncomfortable condition to deal with. However, a remedy might be sitting right there in your pantry. Apple cider vinegar is believed to aid in alleviating acid reflux symptoms by balancing your stomach's pH levels. It's important to dilute it with water before consumption, though, as it's quite strong and can damage tooth enamel. Tip 6. Turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric, a golden spice loaded with health benefits, is our next star. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric can provide relief for various ailments, including arthritis, skin inflammation, and even aid in wound healing. A warm glass of turmeric milk, often referred to as golden milk, can be a soothing and therapeutic addition to your daily routine. Tip 7. Baking soda for teeth whitening. Looking for a budget-friendly way to brighten your smile? Look no further than your kitchen. Baking soda can be an effective teeth whitener. Its mild abrasive properties help remove surface stains on your teeth, and it's completely safe when used correctly. Simply sprinkle some on your toothpaste and brush as usual. Tip 8. Aloe vera for skincare. Aloe vera is a versatile plant that deserves a place in every home. Known for its skin healing properties, aloe vera can provide relief from sunburns, minor cuts, and even serve as a natural moisturizer. Aloe vera is gentle, hydrating, and can be a refreshing skincare staple, especially during hot summer months. Tip 9. Peppermint for headaches. Who knew the solution to your persistent headaches might be sitting in your herb garden or tea box? Peppermint, a refreshing and aromatic herb, has been used for centuries to treat headaches. Peppermint oil, when massaged into the temples or inhaled, can alleviate tension headaches and leave you feeling refreshed. Tip 10. Garlic for immunity boosting. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Our next remedy involves garlic, a kitchen staple renowned for its therapeutic properties. Garlic's immune-boosting abilities come from a compound called allicin, which has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet can bolster your immune system, helping you ward off common colds and flu. Tip 11. Oats for itchy skin. If you're struggling with itchy, irritated skin, the answer might lie in your breakfast bowl. Oats, when used in a bath, can provide relief from itching and inflammation caused by conditions like eczema or chickenpox. The soothing properties of oats come from their high content of avenanthramides, compounds with anti-inflammatory and antihistaminic properties. Tip 12. Eucalyptus oil for congestion. If you're dealing with a stuffy nose or chest congestion, eucalyptus oil might be your new best friend. This powerful essential oil can help clear your airways and make breathing easier. You can add a few drops to a bowl of steaming water and inhale the vapor, or apply it diluted on your chest. Tip 13. Castor oil for hair growth. Ever dreamed of luscious, thick hair? Castor oil can help you achieve that. This thick, viscous oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid, and omega-6 fatty acids, which can stimulate hair growth when massaged into the scalp. It's a cost-effective and natural alternative to pricey hair growth serums. Tip 14. Bananas for sleep. Battling insomnia? Try eating a banana before bed. Bananas are rich in magnesium and potassium, two minerals that help relax muscles and promote deep sleep. Plus, bananas are a healthy, low-calorie snack that can satisfy your late-night cravings. Tip 15. Lavender for stress relief. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, the calming aroma of lavender can help. Lavender essential oil can be used in a diffuser or added to a bath for a relaxing experience. It's been shown to help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and create a sense of calm. Tip 16. Rosemary for memory. Rosemary is more than just a delicious herb for cooking. It's been associated with memory improvement and has been used to boost concentration and focus. You can use rosemary essential oil while studying, working, or anytime you need a mental boost. Tip 17. Flaxseed for digestion. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients and a fantastic natural remedy for improving digestion. These tiny seeds are packed with dietary fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and overall gut health. You can add them to your smoothies, salads, or even bake them into your bread or cookies. Tip 18. Cinnamon for blood sugar control. Cinnamon, a warming and aromatic spice, is not just a kitchen staple. It's also a great natural remedy for blood sugar control. Regular consumption of cinnamon has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Tip 19. Black tea for eye soothing. Tired, puffy eyes from long hours in front of the computer. Used black tea bags can come to your rescue. Chill used tea bags in the refrigerator and place them on your closed eyes. The caffeine in the tea can help reduce puffiness and rejuvenate your tired eyes. Tip 20. Thyme for cough relief. Thyme, a commonly used herb in cooking, can also be a powerful cough reliever. Thyme tea can help reduce coughing, relieve a sore throat, and decrease inflammation. So next time you're suffering from a cough, you might want to reach for the thyme. Tip 21. Green tea for weight loss. If you're looking to shed some pounds, green tea can be a helpful ally. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. So why not swap your regular cup of joe for a health-boosting green tea? Tip 22. Basil for indigestion. Basil, a favorite in Italian cuisine, can also provide relief from indigestion and bloating. A cup of warm basil tea after a heavy meal can help facilitate digestion and alleviate discomfort. Tip 23. Coconut oil for skin moisturizer. Coconut oil is not just for cooking. It's a versatile oil that can be a wonderful skin moisturizer. It's natural, affordable, and provides deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. You can use it all over your body, including your face, hands, and feet. Tip 24. Honey and cinnamon for acne. Dealing with acne can be frustrating, but a simple honey and cinnamon face mask can help. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and cinnamon can improve blood flow and promote skin regeneration. This potent combination can help reduce acne and leave your skin glowing. Tip 25. Cucumber for hydration. Last but not least, let's not forget the humble cucumber. This refreshing veggie is excellent for hydration thanks to its high water content. It can be used to soothe puffy eyes, treat sunburn, or just as a low-calorie snack that keeps you hydrated. And there you have it, 25 of Grandma's time-honored home remedies that not only foster wellness but also save you money. It's astonishing how much wisdom lies in our traditional practices. We hope you found this video enlightening and practical, and we look forward to hearing about your own experiences with these home remedies. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.